Did Cash App leave you hanging after a shady transaction, leaving you wondering if you're just stuck with the loss? Let's break down exactly how to initiate a chargeback on Cash App, so you can try to recover your funds first. Understand that you can't directly charge back a transaction through Cash App itself like you would with a credit card. Cash App acts more like a debit card linked to your bank account. Your first step is to gather all the details of the transaction you want to dispute. This includes the date, amount, recipient, and a clear explanation of why you believe it's fraudulent or incorrect. Next, immediately contact your bank or card issuer linked to your Cash App account. Explain the situation and that you want to dispute the Cash App transaction. They'll guide you through their specific chargeback process. Your bank will likely require you to fill out a dispute form and provide supporting documentation, like screenshots of the Cash App transaction or any communication you had with the recipient. If applicable, the stronger your evidence, the better your chances. Also, contact Cash App support directly through the app or website to report the issue. While they can't initiate a chargeback, they can investigate the transaction and potentially take action against the other user. Be patient. Chargebacks can take time. Your bank will investigate and determine if the transaction qualifies for a refund. And remember, filing a dispute doesn't guarantee you'll get your money back, but it's definitely worth pursuing if you believe you've been wrong. Good luck.